Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Fausto, your friend from Cybertrain University. I want to talk a little bit about give you a little tip of the day regarding about DRYS, a stock that we just traded, that we've been trading for a while. It's a stock that I made over $3,000 in, and I want to show you how I made the $3,000, and also knowing how to get out of it, because a lot of people looked at the stock, and there are people that have lost not thousands but millions of dollars in dryers as a swing trade, because we've seen this stock at one point go from like $5 all the way to 110, and then when you factor in all the stock splits that it just is coming up with, the stock took a huge beating. It's probably worth over 100,000 from where, if you look at the price today. But that's not the purpose of regarding about where it was. The purpose, what we're here to learn, and the tip of the day is why it's so important to be part of a trading room like Cybertrain University, because I want to kind of point out, looking at this stock, how we traded it and how we made the money. Oh, by the way, it just got halted again. Stock has been extremely volatile, has had some big moves, and you could see it, and now it's taking a big direction to the downside. But I want to point up right here, and I just want to point out these are my positions right here. No, wrong one, wrong window. There we go. Okay, so here are my tickets that I've traded the stock, DRYS, and you could see right here this morning I traded the stock at 3,000 shares. I bought it at $1.74, and then I sold it for a loss at $1.63. So I took a little bit of a nice little loss, lost about $300 in that position. Also did trade the GE. G took a little bit of a hit today, broke even on that one. And then I came back in the afternoon after being down like over 300. I jumped back into DRYS for 1,000. I just tested the waters, and that was at exactly 234. And if I zoom in over here at 234, kind of show you what that time is. It's very important. Started right around here. Now remember, the stock right here is at 203, and I traded it all the way down here. Okay, so after seeing the stock making almost a 50-cent run, I'm like, maybe this is the bottom. Well, you could see what happened. I sold it at a buck 17 at 217, and then I jumped back in for 3,000 shares at 223, and I sold at 330. And here's my account, and you could see it right there. $3,000 profit. Now, the tip of here is not to brag and tell you, oh, look, Fausto made $3,000. What I want to show you is how did I know to get out of it at the 330, because look where it is right now. It's at 257. It's constantly getting halted. Now, here's your tip. How did I know to get in? Now, and how did I know to get out? Now, if you look right here, here's our trading room. And you could see me chatting away, and these are all our traders. I'm working with my traders. I'm keep talking about, look, it's a shake, it's a shake. Oh my God, I wish I had my 10,000 shares back that I had, in the past. And I was trading 10,000. So because I usually trade 10,000 shares of the stock, but I was, after seeing the stock, believe me, if I had those shares till today, I would have been crushed. That's what makes a good day trader. You know how to, things don't go your way, you break the 30-second rule, you get out of the position. So looking at it, as we go down this list, okay, what I want to point out is, where are we? Okay, right here. At 309, I pointed out I'm out, okay, telling my traders. And I'm also telling the volume is starting to die, all right? Made over 3,000 on the trade. I think it's a shake, and the students are talking about how much money they traded, and then the volume does not look good. Now, I want you to keep an eye on this time at right here at 309. Now, when I go here on the intraday chart, that time was right here, 309. Now, the stock went all the way up to 380, okay? I ended selling it 50 cents lower. Now, 50 cents on 3,000 shares is an extra $1,500 loss. So I would have had technically a $4,500 loss, but it was only a $3,000, a $4,500 profit End up being a $3,000 profit. But you see right here in the volume, you see how the stock all of a sudden right here started picking up volume. That is what caused this run. Somebody started coming in, and you could see the stock was trading about 100,000 shares a minute. All of a sudden, you're starting to get 500,000 shares, and then boom, you had this spike of some million shares of the stock. Then the volume started going down, okay? And you could see it started trickling down. Once it got right around here, where it really got back to where it was around the 2 o'clock time frame, 2:30, I says, you know what, I got to get out. So I end up getting out all the way down here, which does not look pretty. Okay, so I end up giving away an extra $1,500. But by doing that and taking something, then nothing, look where it is right now at 258. So that $3,000 profit, I would still have a profit right now, but it would only be, $600 instead of the $3,000. So the tip of the day, what I'm trying to get through, and what I want to show you guys all, is that being part of a trading room and being part of experienced traders is what helps you. And this is why I enjoy trading with my students, and you could have a part of it too. But you have to know, you got to know this is for you, because trading is not for everybody. And you know what? $3,000 is a lot of money. If you times that, if you do that every day, you're talking over $1.5 million. But for some of you, you might be happy just to make $50,000 a year. But to knowing where to get in and where to get out, and knowing with the experience of what to look for and follow the high frequency trades, this is what makes you a very successful trader. So anyway, so tip of the day, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to learn more about being part of a professional trading room, feel free to come visit Cybertrade University. Come try us out for $10. Sit in a room for 7 days, guarantee your money back, and most importantly, if you don't want to do that, if you just like this video, just click on the like button on the bottom of your YouTube channel. So that's your tip of the day, ladies and gentlemen, and enjoy, and look forward to seeing you at other upcoming events. And feel free to look and browse Cybertrade University to see our other videos that we do of tips of the day. Thanks, ladies and gentlemen, and thanks for watching.